To get started with using BullX, it's essential to understand the step-by-step process, from gaining access to setting up the box for trading. The first step is to access the platform, which can be done by clicking a link that will take you to a Telegram page. Once there, you'll need to click Start at the bottom, and you'll receive a message confirming that your access code has been redeemed. After accessing the platform, you'll need to click Login, and then open a link that will take you to a new page. From there, you can start funding your wallet, which will be automatically created for you. You'll need to copy the wallet address and send the desired amount of cryptocurrency to it. For example, if you're using Solana, you can send 1 Solana to the wallet address. Once you've funded your wallet, you can click Start Trading and access the various features of the platform. On the left-hand side, you'll see options such as New Pairs, Pump Vision, and Explore. The New Pairs tab shows all the new coins across different chains, while the Pump Vision tab is specifically for trading pump.fun coins. The Explore tab allows you to see current trending coins, biggest gainers, and biggest losers, as well as recent coins. To manage your wallet, you can go to the Wallet Manager section, where you can export your private keys and import them into a wallet like Phantom. It's crucial to export your private keys within 48 hours, as they will be destroyed forever for security reasons after that time. You can also add multiple wallets to the platform, which allows you to hold and trade coins with different wallets. When trading, you can set your priority fee and slippage, with the default settings being rapid and 30% respectively. However, you can adjust these settings to suit your needs, such as setting the slippage to 10 to 20% for faster transactions. You can also turn on MET protection, but this will slow down your transactions. The platform also allows you to set gas settings, including the priority fee and validator bribe. You can adjust these settings to make your transactions go through faster or slower, depending on your needs. Additionally, you can edit your buy preset buttons to set specific amounts for buying coins. When buying a coin, you can set a market order or a limit order, with the limit order allowing you to choose a specific price to buy at. The platform also shows you important information about the coin, such as its price, market cap, and liquidity. You can track your orders and positions, and even see your profit and loss on each coin. The platform also features an Automation tab, where you can see all your limit orders and trading automations. You can create and delete orders, and track their status. Finally, the Portfolio tab allows you to see your overall profit and loss, as well as the coins you've bought and sold. Overall, BullX offers a range of features and tools to help you trade cryptocurrencies effectively. By following these steps and understanding the platform's features, you can start trading with confidence.